Okay, gentlemen, example number 3 here. Now what we've been doing is we have been separating these fractions into different fractions and canceling where we can. This thing is asking us to factor, which means that I want to take numbers out. I want to break them down into two things being multiplied together. So let's look at this first one. It says 5x squared plus 10x. Okay? Now, these are terms that are being multiplied together. And you know, whenever we cancel, we need to have things being, these terms are being added. Alright? But remember, whenever we want to cancel, we need things being multiplied together. We need factors so that we can cancel. Okay? So now, let's look at this. I'm going to ask you, Gordy, what do both of these terms have in common? Okay, they both have an x, but let's think about this. Look at the numbers. Do they have a common factor?
They're both divisible by 5.
Okay, so they both have a 5, and then when I look at the variables, they both have an x, so I bring that out front. Now, last night's homework helped us practice seeing what we need to multiply to get a monomial. If I want to get 5x squared, what do I have to multiply 5x by? Troy? 5x times what gives me 5x squared? By x. Okay, good. What do I need to multiply 5x by to get positive 10x? Benny? Positive 2, or plus 2. So when I factor this now, it's 5x times x plus 2. That's my answer. And that's good because sometimes I might have 5x on the bottom. I can't cancel it when it looks like this. I have to factor it out and then see, oh, these are all being multiplied. I can cancel the 5's and the x's. Okay, that's why we're learning how to factor. Okay, but our answer to this problem is this. 5x times x plus 2. Let's do the same thing for the next one. 4x to the 5th minus 6x to the 3rd plus 14x. Look at the numbers first, Chris. Is there a number that goes into all those coefficients? 2 does. Excellent. What about variables? Do they all have a common variable?
X.
Just x or x squared?
X.
Just x, exactly, because this last term, it's only x to the 1st. That's the most I can pull out. All right, so I'm going to put x here. Now, 2x times what gives me 4x to the 5th? Gordy? 2x, not to the, oh yeah, to the 4th. Good. Excellent job. Austin, 2x times what gives me negative 6x cubed?
2x times negative
3x to the 2nd. Good. And then the last one, CB, 2x times what gives me positive 14x? Plus 7. Done. Now I have things that are being multiplied, and I might be able to cancel them. Okay? All right, great job, guys. Next example.